here, up on the roof of a garage shed thing that we gotta pull on out of here. We got trailers, we got Jim. Hey Jim! How's it going, buddy? I hear that. We got Mel, we got Chelsea, we got Corey. Peter's around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. What's up? Yeah, we're taking this thing down, cutting it into pieces, and load a trailer, take it out, and go set it up somewhere else. Hey, you're not allowed to do that. That's our buddy, Mimi, being a pain in the butt. I'm on the roof. I gotta unfortunately get rid of the camera because I can't do that. And hold the camera. Well, I could, but it's gonna be a little bit. Anyways, see you later. This is what we don't do.
This one is not Peter built, it's Peter destroyed.
Right?
There was a sunroof here, I guess, straight on me.
And we got it on camera to prove it.
Fail. Yeah. I was supposed to send it.
I don't think it worked that well.
No, it didn't, because it got tied up on a freaking corner. I bet you can't do that. I bet you weren't even trying that either, were you?
Hang off of it. Be a bobber.
I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh my god. I came in like a wrecking ball. I'll take the penalty. Oh. That's the first thing that popped my mind.
Hey, get out of there. Do it. You gotta get out of there. Like dominoes. Woo! They got a Woody.
Watch yourself, Dave.
Which way are we going?
Falling in. Move.
Hey, look! Brand new deck!
Where's the
Party on the dance floor!
Where's the barbecue?
Hey, did this work? Wait for that thing.
The boat's all of a sudden.
Come on! Wow, push!
I am pushing.
Push in! It is cut! It is cut! Come down to the bottom! Oh my god, stop! Hang on! He's done.
You forgot to say boom, baby.
Kind of late now. He already said it.
Look, a tiny hut.
Pint-sized garage? Hit me!
Not a shower.
There we go! Best one yet!
We just go.
I thought you were gonna jump on the wall like Spider-Man and write it down. Well, I was gonna try, but... Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. I'm about to hold on to that and make sure it don't slide.
Oh,
You gotta even break my roof! Oh, I gotta come in a little bit.
it's too fat.
There we go.